1, 2, 3, 4!
We're now on to phase 2 of the engine rebuild. We have our engine in the engine stand. We're ready to strip all the outside pieces off, pull the engine down so we can assess what needs repaired, what needs replaced, what can be reused. So we'll get her pulled apart. We have the engine stripped down now. The next step is to take the block, the crank, and the cylinder head out to the local machine shop. They will dip the engine in an acid bath, check it for cracks, plane the top of the surface if it needs done. When we get the new parts in, they will hone in the cam bushings to fit them. The crank will be cleaned and checked. It may need turned or polished. I'm seeing some scratches on there. I'm thinking it's going to need turned at least 10 thousandths. And the cylinder head will also be dipped in an acid bath, crack checked, probably planed, and we'll get the valves ground while we're doing it. So while we get that process underway and wait for our new parts to come in, if there's anything in particular that you want to see as I'm putting it back together, leave it in the comment section below and I'll see what I can do. So this is the end of phase 2 of our 444 engine rebuild. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.